Hello my dear students, today we are going to see about the trigonometry part 4. Okay, in this we will see about Pythagoras theorem. Okay, actually what is Pythagoras? It's name of a scientist, Greek scientist, that is Pythagoras, and he created the formula, he created the theorem Pythagoras theorem. On his name, the name of the theorem has been given Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras says that the theorem states that in any right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, the sum and the square of other two sides, Okay. Now we will take one right angle triangle and we will name it as A, B, C. This is hypotenuse. Either it may be adjacent or it may be adjacent, it may be opposite or it may be opposite, no problem. It is not a great problem, it is not a problem for you. Now, according to the theorem, it says that hypotenuse, if you take the hypotenuse square, if you take the square of the hypotenuse, square of hypotenuse will be equal to opposite square plus adjacent square, or hypotenuse square is equals to adjacent square plus opposite square, adjacent square plus opposite square, or opposite square plus adjacent square. Okay. Now that means if you take the square of this hypotenuse, it will be equal to square of the opposite side plus square of the adjacent side. If you take the square and sum of the two sides, it will be equal to hypotenuse. Okay. Now we will see by keeping the values. Okay. Now if I am taking 5, and remember hypotenuse should be the biggest one. Okay, you should take hypotenuse will be the bigger one. Okay, if I am taking 6 here and 2 here, it is not, because hypotenuse should be the bigger one. Okay, here I am taking, we will do one problem by taking the values. Okay, now you take it as 2 here, 3 here, 2 here and 3 here. Now we will find the hypotenuse. How can we find hypotenuse? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Hypotenuse square is equals to what we have taken. What is hypotenuse here? AC square is equals to adjacent. You take this one or this one, no problem. Opposite also you take this one or this one, no problem. So we will take AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. AC square is equals to AB, how much it is? 2 square. BC how much? 3 square. AC square is equals to 2 square, how much it will be? 2 into 2, 4. Then 3 into 3, 9. AC square is equals to 4 plus 3, how much it will be? 4 plus 9, how much it will be? 13. Then AC is equals to root 13. AC is equals to root 13. It should be root 13. Okay, it should be root 13. Now we will do some more problems by using these triangles. Okay, and the theorem. Take a triangle, name it as ABC. And in this one you take 4 this one, 5 this, and find AC. How to find AC? See here, hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Now what is hypotenuse in this one? AC square is equals to opposite. You take this one or this one, no problem. Okay, so I am taking AB square plus BC square. AC square is equals to AB is how much? 4 square. BC is how much? 5 square. So AC square is equals to 16 plus 25. AC square is equals to 16 plus 25. How much it will be? 16 plus 25. 5 plus 6, how much it will be? 11. 1 carry 1. Now it will be 41. Then AC is equals to root over 41. AC is equals to how much? Root 41. That is hypotenuse is equals to 41. Hypotenuse is how much? 41. Hypotenuse is how much? 41. Now we will do one more problem we will do, okay? Take a triangle, name it as A, B and C. A, B and C. Hypotenuse, if it is given, example 5. Hypotenuse 5 and one of the side it is given 3. One of the side it is given 3. Now what is BC? What is BC? How to find out this one BC? Same formula. What is the formula? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. What is hypotenuse in this one? AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AB square plus BC square. Now AC is how much? 5 square is equals to AB is how much? 3 square and BC we don't know, BC square as it is. Now 5 5 how much it will be? 25 is equals to 9 plus BC square. Now take this 9 towards the left hand side. 25 minus 9 is equals to BC square. 25, from 25 take out 9. From 25 take out 9, how much it will be? 16 is equals to BC square. That is BC square is equals to how much? 16. BC square is equals to how much? 16. Then BC is equals to, if you are taking the square towards the right hand side, it will become root 16. Then BC is equals to 4 square root get cancelled. BC is equals to how much? 4. BC is how much? BC is how much? 4. BC is how much? You are getting 4. BC is 4. Okay. BC is 4. Now we will check it. Okay. That is AC square is equals to, check, AC square is equals to AB square plus BC square. AC is how much? 5 square is equals to 3 square plus 4 square. 25 is equals to 3 3 the 9, 4 4 the 16. 16 plus 9, how much it will be? 25 is equals to 25. 25 is equals to 25. 25 is equals to 25. Now one more time let me explain you. Take a right angle triangle, name it as ABC, name it as ABC. Pythagoras says that, what the Pythagoras says? In any right angle triangle, the square of hypotenuse is equal to, square of the hypotenuse is equal to the sum of the square of other two sides, sum and square of other two sides. Now here if it is given 5, here it is given 3. Base we don't know. We should find out the base. What we have to do for this one? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. See, either you can make this one opposite or this one, because angle is not mentioned in this one. So you can take this one or this one adjacent, or this one or this one, you can take it as opposite, no problem. Okay. Hypotenuse is how much here? 5 square. Hypotenuse is what? AC square is equals to opposite, take it as AB square plus BC square. Okay. Now AC is how much? 5 square is equals to AB 3 square, BC we don't know, we are going to find out BC. AC 25 is equals to 9 plus BC square. Most of the students they will do wrong. 5 square means 5 should be multiplied 2 times, 5 into 5. Some of the students they will do 5 into 2, it is wrong. 3 into 2 they will take 6, it is wrong. Most of the students they will get confused in the exam and they will take, okay, like that, but it should be not. Now 25 take this 9 towards the left hand side, minus 9 is equals to BC square. Now BC square is equals to 25 minus 9, how much it is? 16. Then BC is equals to, take the square, if you are sending the square towards the left hand side or right hand side, it will become root. Now 16 can be written as BC is equals to 4 square, that means 16. 4 into 4, how much it will be? 16. Square and root get cancelled. BC is equals to how much? 4. BC is how much? BC is how much? 4. Okay, BC is 4. Hope everyone understood. Please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Keep watching my videos. Thanks for watching. Thank you.